Hey Salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making sweet chili chicken wings. These chicken wings are gonna be so delicious. They're gonna be a bit sweet, a bit spicy. I'm gonna serve these chicken wings with a delicious creamy coleslaw that you're really gonna enjoy. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Alright, for the chicken I'm using the whole chicken wing without the wing tips. The middle part right here is called vinaigrette, and the part running between the shoulder and this elbow is known as drumettes. This right here is the wing tip. So you want to get rid of the wing tip and cut between the middle joint to get a drumette and a vinaigrette. And this is how we're going to use our chicken wings. With your chicken wings, with the paprika, garlic powder, a light touch of red chili, onion powder, black pepper. Finish this off with a good touch of salt. Wash your hands and give this a really good mix. We're going to let this dry brine in the fridge for overnight. For the dredging with the flour, with the black pepper, salt. The flour doesn't need to be bland. Should be able to taste your flour. A good mix to that. Now grab your chicken, flour and water. Now before we start coating our chicken, turn up the heat around medium-high with the oil. And you want to bring the oil temperature to around 160 Celsius. Or first of all, you want to grab your chicken and it goes into the flour. There's some more pieces in here. Good mix to that. Shake off the excess. This goes into the water. Shake off the excess into the water. Just gonna leave it there for a few seconds until the flour is wet. Alright, let's grab the chicken. This goes into the flour. Just slowly take that out. And again, give that a mix. Give that a really good mix using your dry hand. Get the flour all across that chicken. And then just shake off the excess. Slowly add in the chicken, always away from you. Just keep it there for a few seconds. And then it goes. We're going to let this cook for around 5 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 75 Celsius. We're looking for a nice golden brown color on our chicken. So let's start removing the chicken. Just drain off the excess oil. Best to remove on a paper towel. Now it's best if you don't overcrowd. Obviously if you had a larger pan then you can fry more. For the sauce in with the water, and with the sugar, mix and completely melt that sugar. Now with the vinegar, with the chili flakes, fresh red chili, garlic, paprika, touch of salt, give that a mix, and you want to let it simmer for a few minutes. And when it starts to simmer, turn the heat to low with a good touch of soy sauce. Now in with this cornstarch. Slowly mix that in. This will thicken the sauce. Now you want to bring this to boil to cook and activate the cornstarch. Once it starts to boil, just turn off the heat. Our mouth-watering sweet chili sauce done. Let's have a little taste. Bismillah. A bit spicy, a bit sweet. Now you can use this sauce for spring rolls, dumplings, soups and so on. And with your chicken wings, some of the sweet chili sauce. For the coleslaw, you want to thinly slice some of this white cabbage. carrots, onions, and some of these gherkins. Here with the cabbage, carrots, onions, gherkins, mayonnaise. For some sweetness, I'm using sugar. It will also remove some of the bitterness. Light touch of black pepper, also some white pepper. A good pinch of salt. Some of this vinegar for acidity. Hot sauce. Finish it off with some of this dried parsley. A really good mix to that. Combine all those ingredients together. Have a little taste. Here we have our delicious creamy coleslaw that you can serve with wings, burgers, and even barbecue ribs. Alright guys, let's plate this up. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Looks mouth-watering, doesn't it? I'm gonna try some of that coleslaw first. It's a bit awkward. That is delicious. Let's try some of these fries. Bismillah. Alright, now comes the star of this dish. Our delicious sweet chili chicken wings. Bismillah. Those are so delicious. I'm just lost for words here. These are so delicious. Apologies, I just enjoyed those wings so much. Amazing flavor, you guys need to try it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.